Hello everybody, it's Top Health Tips here. We have something mind-blowing about baking soda to tell you about. It's not just for making cookies rise, we're talking life hacks on a whole new level. We're gonna dive deep into 5 amazing benefits of baking soda that we guarantee you didn't know. From soothing bug bites to something even crazier. And trust us, that 5th one, you'll never look at baking soda the same way again. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know about it because they can't make a buck off of it. But hey, that's why we're here, right? To drop truth bombs and level up your life with simple, cheap, and effective solutions. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this baking soda party started. Alright, let's kick things off with something everyone hates. Bug bites. You know that annoying itch that just won't quit? Baking soda to the rescue. Just mix a little bit of baking soda with water to make a paste and put it on that mosquito bite. The baking soda works its wonders, neutralizing the itchy stuff and calming that inflammation. It's way cheaper than those fancy anti-itch creams. And it actually works. No more harsh chemicals on your skin, just pure natural goodness. So next time you're out there enjoying a barbecue and those bloodsuckers come calling, don't sweat it. You've got your secret weapon ready to go. Baking soda 1, mosquitoes 0. Have you ever opened your fridge and been hit with that unique smell? Instead of masking the odor with air fresheners, let's tackle that funk at its source with baking soda. Baking soda is like a natural odor eater. It doesn't just cover up smells, it actually neutralizes them. Grab an open box of baking soda, put it in the back of your fridge, and let it work its magic. No more mystery smells, just pure, clean, fresh-smelling victory. And hey, you can also use baking soda to absorb odors in your shoes, gym bags, even your trash can. Seriously, this stuff is like a miracle worker. Now let's talk about food. Washing fruits and vegetables is super important, but sometimes water just doesn't cut it. Sprinkle some baking soda on your fruits and veggies, give them a good scrub, and watch the dirt and grime disappear. Baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive, so it helps remove all that nasty stuff without damaging your produce. Plus, it can even help remove those pesky pesticide residues that you don't want anywhere near your food. Your fruits and veggies will be sparkling clean, and you'll be feeling good knowing you're eating healthier and saving money at the same time. Boom! This next one is serious business. We're talking about fire safety. Baking soda can actually help put out small grease or electrical fires. If you have a small fire, like on the stovetop, carefully sprinkle baking soda over the flames. Baking soda releases carbon dioxide when it's heated, which can help smother the fire. It's like magic, but with science. Remember, safety first. Only use baking soda on small, contained fires and always have a working fire extinguisher nearby. Just knowing that you have a backup firefighting tool in your pantry is pretty cool, right? Baking soda? It's not just for cookies anymore. Alright people, we've arrived at the moment you've all been waiting for. The 5th and most surprising benefit of baking soda. Baking soda can actually whiten your teeth. It has natural whitening properties that can help remove stains and brighten your smile. Just mix a little bit of baking soda with water to form a paste, dip your toothbrush in it, and brush as usual. It's like a mini spa treatment for your teeth, and it's way cheaper than those fancy whitening strips. Plus, it's natural and gentle on your enamel. Adding baking soda to your oral hygiene routine a couple of times a week can definitely give you a brighter, more confident smile. And who doesn't want that? Comment down below if you tried this. So, there you have it guys, 5 amazing benefits of baking soda that you probably didn't know. It just goes to show that sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Have you tried any of these baking soda hacks? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you have any other amazing baking soda uses, share the knowledge. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome life hacks, and more healthy content. Make sure to share the video with your friends who can find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.